Sir, we were talking about motivation.
Yeah, motivation. Uh, Research for loyalty is spontaneous. Those you always say you got friendship. Reason you gave it was only thing: loyal, spontaneity, fun-loving, and conservative. And he rightly put together. He catches on the word with conservative. What does it indicate? Conservative means what? And he has put, and you couldn't afford to come back. He just really got trapped. You do not know how to come out of the system. Next, we talked about sister. When we talk to the involvement with the family becomes very, very questionable. You are self-centered, looking after yourself. Nowhere you have said that how are you involved with your parents? What help do you give to sister? At least you could have talked about it. That is, I teach her around there. You are in class 12th, she's class 10th. Can't you afford to help her? Can't you help your mother in so many other things around there? Even at least no peeling of potatoes yourself can be very small, trivial things. Why can't it be done? Your father, you just say in what way, what he does. Your mom is just worded of the question. You never, that clearly indicates your involvement with the family matters and people in and around. He has not even asked the people around, friends, and how do you interact, which he has left purposely because you couldn't afford to talk about a family involvement. So he can't even talk about the involvement with the society and people in and around. So that's a totally questionable ground there. Then you talk about kudos. Kudos, as you said, only physical very nicely came out from the system. Hobbies. You read the reading habits. Why you read Alchemist? Why do you say self-help books? What does it indicate? There's a lot many things which you are trying to hide for yourself. Lot many things. You would like to, there's all clear indicator. Then Harry Potter. What does it mean? It means you are still mental age and chronological age. That is called regression. You're still living the old, the younger age. Your regression is still coming. You're still Harry Potter. Then attack Alchemist. You talked about Alchemist and he says, my sister, yeah, I didn't complete it. My sister is reading. Tell me, out of 24 hours, can a person read 24 hours? You require a change. How do you change it? It may be even 5 to 10 pages. It takes 10 minutes. If I can't afford to have 10 minutes of break, how can I afford to do that? And then you already talk about the I can't concentrate. You're already talking, I can't concentrate. So I'm attention. So that what what does it mean now? You are trying to improve. You're talking about Telegram. I don't read newspaper. I am reading through Telegram. What does it mean? So here's again today's world, screen world. You have got more and more involved with the screen world rather than the physical activities you as an individual should have done it on there. That again, then you talk about DNA Sudhir Kumar. Sudhir is supposed to be a biased person. Let me just tell you, when you talk about Sudhir and you will land up in a big problem. Do you know who Sudhir is on there? He has got his own set. He's the G News guy. He's the person editor. He is good in one aspect, but he has got a lot of material. Have you heard about his voters' credentials? Their output credentials itself. That clearly indicates you have got a bias, certain amount of bias which is going to release us as well as the biases are already there. Clearly indicator on there. Then he says, a small attention span, you have already talked about concentration. Then you talked about badminton championship, you couldn't organizing ability was so poor that I think no anyone. You have seen your father, you've seen your father organize so many things. You're going to party to it. Can't we afford it? He has only given you 10 people are there. Why do you want to have number of people again? How many people? If you have to have it competition, 10 people, how many matches? How many types of competition can be had? It's a knockout or Robin league. That's the league. What is the type of tournament you are going to conduct? How many matches would be there? Which are the places which are going to have it? From where are the money going to come? Who is going to bring the badminton or the shuttle? It's a very small thing. From where money come? Who is going to what? Can't you think about these small little things? What does it indicate now is simply you are just in a position you have not taken care to be present or to think about it. There is called, I remember you have got a coherence. And the first thing was the temporal coherence. And temporal coherence, it simply talked about it that we should be able to say a thing, narrating chronologically. Did we talk about coherence or not? Coherence
Yes,
is
sir.
story. And what we said, life is made of storytelling. Storytelling, we must learn to tell a story. And what you're talking about your past, nothing new he's asking for it. And can't you afford it? Remember, narrative identity tells on that we should be able to rewrite our past. All the story we must rewrite. And in spite of the fact that you had known what questions are going to be there, you never endeavored to correct those particular points. It means you are not at all interested in your self-development as well. You think it is not going to come easy. That's my understanding. It is not going to come easy. It will take time. It takes effort for your self-development. You must understand what is going wrong, how to go about it. Recollect back. When we talked about narrative anti-research, what are the three types? Endowment. There are three types of story. You have to talk about communion. You have to talk about, there's various types of story we have said. So you must make your story interesting so that interviewing also understands that. And recollect back, we have also talked about it, the 6.5 qualities. What are those 6.5 qualities? First and foremost is effective intelligence. What is effective? That's effective intelligence. What is effective intelligence is use of intelligence to find a solution to day-to-day problem. You're faced to a problem that someone is trying to follow. You couldn't afford to find a solution to that. That indicates your effective intelligence is questionable. You couldn't afford to use logic. Reasoning ability gets questionable back again. Organizing ability was poor. Social ability gets questioned. As a social ability gets questioned because you couldn't afford to find good friends or the people who had no logic except for loyalty and other aspect to tell why they are friends for you. Cooperation. You didn't even talk about how are you interacting with the people, with your own family members, how in what we are going to help. So that is cooperation. Self-responsibility gets questioned back again from about 8 to 9 CJP, you come back to 70% back again. Liveliness, again questionable. You talk about music, you talk about self-development, you submit again, liveliness gets questionable as such. And courage, I have got absolutely no doubt about it. Absolute courage, you come under angularity straight. So there's a need for it, and that's my personal perception. What is there now? Just to indicate, we have requested Karam. He will brief you on all particular aspect of it, looking at the various aspects so that you can understand. Aim is to develop yourself. Okay, so just for your help and for the people around there, not for Karam. They all know about it. They are the masters. They have seen thousands of people around there. Just to understand what these particular things aspect does. Understand, he says effective academic performance drop or gain. There's a drop in academic performance. You have not been able to cover up. Time management, you kept on talking about so many areas. You mixed same point repeated twice, thrice. You have talked about time management, questionable. Achievement is nothing good, nothing great. You have been able to talk hobbies, games, and sports, not able to talk about it. So there's an effectiveness becomes doubtful state. That's for me. I think that then Kanakana will be now brief you on there. Way of responding to questions, reasoning ability. Again, you have to improve it. When the response is spontaneous, you know. So you're thinking about not whether the candidate has sought assistance to find out missing part of the question. Sometimes yes, that is okay. There's nothing wrong with the system. Repeats receptivity. You just jump to the conclusion, start without listening to what he's asking. You just started giving answers. Inquisitive, well, degree of frequency of logical response, questionable. Many places you become illogical. You come back again. Let's say again now, friends circle. You couldn't talk good about a friend circle. Homesickness, I can't talk about it. Interpersonal relationship, again questionable. So that's because there's doubt as per me. Cooperation, you couldn't afford to sell SOR again. So that's how I have to talk about it. Rest of it, I leave it to before for Karan Kadam to give out whatever he feels right. Okay, sir? Bye.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, Kapish. Is your attention span still there? I think a lot of experts have covered your interview and given you the major points. I will just tell you overall, you have got an advantage of a defense officer's son joining the armed forces, your height, weight, and your body build. You have to take advantage of that and make it into win-win situation for yourself. Now, overall in the interview, first and foremost, I don't like people coming late. And we have gone as per the book. In the SSBs, you will find IOs not going as per book. So just get over your preconceived ideas. I found throughout the interview, you had preconceived ideas about every question. And you answered whatever you thought you wanted to. And most of the questions, the meat part you left, like starting from talking about Sagar or any other question. Friends, wonderful, 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 it doesn't help. So you have to understand the question, what he is asking and what does he mean. Even in a question, if he asks you something, it relates to the previous question and accordingly you must answer that question. Meet first and thereafter you can go to periphery just to highlight your good qualities, not otherwise. Have you understood? Analyze yourself and see what all is good, what all friends are supposed to be, why you exactly, what are the qualities? I said, not wonderful. Wonderful is not a quality. Okay? So you must. Now the major part of Fauji or an army officer or his kid is the courage. And you at your age, built and all the facilities that you have got, you should be, I think you should be able to take on in such a situation in a trekking. Firstly, you don't leave anybody alone in trekking. You have not learned. I think you have just said that you have go for trekking, but I don't think you have gone for actually trekking. Just walking with your mother somewhere is not trekking. Okay, so you don't leave anybody alone, rightly pointed out. You cannot leave, especially mother. Yes, if you can handle things. If it is a dad, you can tell dad, you go and get something. Mother, you have to tell, you sit there on the side. I will sort out this chap first and then we will proceed. And most importantly, Commodore Talukdar has said, you should be able to handle and give him a 2-3 sock and just get off him within few seconds, not even a minute. Okay? Your age should be rightly, your brain should work. Yes, I am strong enough, big enough to sort out this chap. And then continue with your trekking or whatever you're doing. At this age, you cannot be faltering or you're just thinking. There's no thinking involved in such situations. It has to come from within. And repetition and peripheral information, I'm not interested, or no interviewing officer is interested, whether he carries out this bookish interview or he carries otherwise. Just to give you example, there was a interviewing officer who used to just ask him, "Kal kaun sa picture dekha?" and he'll say, "Picture ka story batao," and at the end of it, he'll ask 1 or 2 normal questions and your interview will be over. So don't go along with preconceived ideas. He will have, the interviewing officer will have preconceived idea about you. Like whatever little confidence that you showed, it is expected of an army officer's son. So that is actually, had it been somebody else, you would have got some points for confidence. In your case, you don't get any points for confidence because you are a defense officer's son. It is expected out of you. And certain aspects of questions which are asked, the CIQ, answer in the same sequence. Because of a preconceived idea, you started answering straight away, like academic background or other things, other places also. And as rightly brought out, you are a son, the elder son, you have to be helpful at home, whatever it is. Your dad, mother, father may be a senior defense officer. That doesn't mean you will not help at home. Okay? I hope you have understood and you will carry out your own analysis and then try and improve yourself. And when you go for SSB, forget about the preconceived questions or ideas that you have. That's all I have.
Thank you, sir.
All the best, Kapish.
Yeah, Kapish, any question now? Now you
No,
would
sir.
like to ask any question. Where you? Yeah,
No, sir, no question.
no question.
Sir, may I just
yeah,
just two, three.
yes, Cecil. Yeah.
See, you have mentioned Kudo, and you explained it very nicely to sir also that it's a Japanese art with a lot of judo combined. Sir asked you a question very relevant to your this thing capability that you have in terms of Kudo. See, that is another factor that will go against you. That once you are doing Kudo as a hobby or a passion, that means we expect you to have achieved level of competence. And a person who has achieved self-defense technique in any form will do what when he is attacked? Now answer me, Kapish. I mean, I'm sure they teach you the reflex, says how to do and what to do. So why were you scared?
Right, sir.
Was it that PIQ it was mentioned to highlight yourself? Or was it other way around? Think about this.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
there is a lot of incoherent gap between what you are projecting and what is coming out. Calm down. It's okay. You are a good guy. What you are trying to unnecessarily project to people around, it is coming out very clearly, and that is the reason why there was a lot of gap between what is being asked and what you are answering. You are a brilliant guy, let me tell you again. But then there was this second, what sir has brought out this thing, that there was a lot of anxiety today from very beginning. Was it Surabhi factor? I don't know. It's your interview and you are very serious about it to join armed forces. You can't allow such small reasons to make you anxious. You were trying too hard for projecting something which is different from your personality. Last time also Colonel Prasad sir had said about your likes and dislikes. We all stated it. You know, it was coming out very clearly. You had to work, you have to work on it. You have to open up to people rather than people opening up to you. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Your organic chemistry, you said, is not relevant to real life. It was not needed. Sir asked which subjects you like the most. I didn't ask you why organic chemistry is not related to real life. And how do you know organic chemistry is not related to real life? If it was not, then this subject wouldn't have been there. Logic, hai na? If that subject has got no importance in real life, it will not happen. Many people are conservative, so I don't get along. Sir has asked question to you, not to the people. You are now being biased saying that they are conservative. So I don't get along. It's others, we are blaming others. So where does the responsibility go? The question is addressed to you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The friends have to open up to you. So it's always the other who takes the initiative to make friends with you. Okay. Routine, when sir asked you a question on a Sunday and a holiday, last time this point I also highlighted, when we talk about routine, we have to go with timelines. Your answers were very wishy-washy. I mean, I am saying something, because I'm not disciplined, I will not attach time to it. Because once I attach time to my routine, I become accountable for it. Last time the same thing happened, which I explicitly pointed out to you, ki routine means you have to get it with some timelines. Something like approximately say 1 to 1:30 I complete my study. Then up to 3 o'clock, I take lunch or rest. This all again, and that came out throughout the interview that you were verbose. Question was only little bit 20% and you answered 80%. And 80% में that 60% was gibberish, not required. You tried to become extra good. Don't put that effort there. Be yourself. You do cycling alone. You play badminton with father. Okay, and you have 3 friends. And no quarrel with sister. Or if you have, how do you solve it? You didn't answer. So relevance of thing is not so. Receptivity again becomes questionable. And Colonel Prasad sir in his class must have told you that receptivity is part of RA, reasoning ability. Logical reasoning was missing everywhere, whether it was organizing badminton, and seeing essentials of problem was also missing in organizing a badminton. You didn't know what is the primary resource and what I need to first attack. You are getting 10 players, single match. You first have to decide whether it will be round robin league or it will be elimination. First thing you take a call is that. Now, if I have to go with those 2 things, how many days I have got to conduct this, and then I decide how many match I have to schedule. So entire RA is out, EI is out. Courage, I was shocked. I didn't test last time. That was my this thing, but today it came out that person doing kudo was unable to take the thing in his own hand. Okay, so work on yourself. You have been extra anxious today, maybe trying to prove something. Not required. Be yourself.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay, Colonel Satish, any questions which you like to ask? I think you will not find this Colonel Kadam and party again. So I think you got anything which you may like to question him down there. Anything which you like for any improvement, anything.
No, sir, I'll keep in touch with you, and in case required, I'll let you know, sir.
No,
As
if
of
you
now,
got any question for Karan, they are all invitees, no? You know that they have found it is nice. I'm thankful to them. They are still maintaining. They are old friends, and he has managed to come back. And he and Talukdar, I think it's grateful to both of them. They could find time, and with short call, they are always there. So I'm grateful to all of them who find time for them. There, it is. Aim is to be very, very, as we told her, we are very, very frank, open, so that we can affect improvement and will add value to your life. Otherwise, it can be very VC and everything can be told about it, and then that is aim is not to do that. Aim is to come back what reality, and since that's why I made you party to it, so that you can understand what is right, what is not so right, not so right. Okay then, best of luck.
Yes.
As far as Kapil is concerned. Thanks a lot. Now we'll devote some time for Survi, some other. So I think me and Colonel Kadam will decide, and you can be a party to it. So,
Sir.
so
Thank you so much, sir.
just the information, sir.
Yeah.
Just the information is SSB2 would not be coming now, sir. There is some technical issue with UPSC, sir. While filling the form, there was some option which was missed, and now he is not being considered for NDA 2, sir. He
Okay,
was
in the form filling, you've done the mistake. You must have done the form filling. You would have done the mistake.
yes, sir. Oh, but there was some option which was included this time, sir.
No, what they have
yes,
done
sir, yes.
this time, whatever there's the NDA 1 and NDA 2 exams are conducted simultaneously.
Yes,
And those people who are interested, they should have filled NDA 1, NDA 2, they have to put a tick. And those
Yes,
who have not put the tick, that will not come. That's unfortunate, but ANA, notwithstanding the same, aim is for development. I think
Yes.
you will not
Yes.
find whatever these 10 days has gone, I think it should be able to add a value to them. That's the only
It was
thing.
definitely very, very helpful, sir, and we have learned a lot. In fact, I have learned a lot, and I'll definitely try to improve. We'll try to.
Okay. Let's hear from. You can hear another story of young lady. So you come back on this. So we'll just talk about. So Karan Kadam, I think both of us we put together. We'll just try and sort out her problem on that. Though we have sensitive on that. First thing which he had talked about Surabhi was she says the very first question which Karan Kadam had it. You said impulse was 4 sad ladies, isn't it?
Sir, yes, sir. It was.
Fundamentally, that's so that is what does it that indicates your negative bent of mind, your perception of the image itself that you're talking. Though it is not, I know you would have written a positive story. I'm quite confident about it, but the way you have written the very first sentence was it was a picture itself was, I think we have discussed Karan Kadam and we have together, we have put together 4 sad stories, 4 sad ladies. That indicates what? You are still in the negative mood. So that
Yes.
at least you could have kept 4 ladies in a group. You can, even if you put it, that is a killer indicator. What is your problem? Second is that you talked about 4 college students project for avalanche victims successful. You have a repeat of a thought. If you are recollect back, you have talked about this story earlier also.
In that four ladies, again, I have a point, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
Now, you insisted in the group discussion about the age thing. Is the age relevant in the
Correct, sir.
perception of the picture?
Okay.
no, sir, but actually it was discussed for